Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Today we're doing a product review of a VR accessory for the Quest 2 headset. This one is by Hibloks. It's a wall mount charger for your headset and your controllers. This one retails on Amazon.com for about $40, on Amazon.ca. I'm Canadian, so I include the .ca. It's $59.99 right now. There are coupons at the moment I can see on there, but I don't know if those will be on there when you check them out. In this video, we're going to do an unboxing. I'm going to explain how to install it. You'll see the instructions though as well, and then I'll give you my review of what I think and how it works, and we'll go from there. So let's jump into this one. So here we are with the box that came in the mail, the wall-mounted VR charging stand. You can see that here. We're going to open it up and we will see what's in there. So in the top there you can see we got the user manual, we got the cords and the little pieces, we got the acrylic pieces that are going to go inside that wall mount, we got the wall mount itself, the rechargeable batteries, and a little card that shows the other products by Hibloks that you can see there. And we got a microfiber cloth, which is awesome. So here we are, we're going to take things out here. These are the acrylic pieces. They're nice and clear. They felt really nice. There's no film or anything you have to take off on any of these. And inside this bag we got the controller covers that are going to go in, the cables that you'll be using, little screws, and a screwdriver, and a little punch there as well that I received with another product from Hibloks, but I've never actually used it before, so I might ask what that's actually supposed to be used for. Here's the wall mounted piece. You can see where the cords go in and the different acrylic pieces. Maybe we'll put those in right now. And these fit in nice and snug, as you can see there. I need to really push those in there to get that in. And they click into place once you put them there. The side acrylic pieces have L and R on them, and you can fit those in. And again, those fit in nice and snug, and those click in. You can see I'm a little bit struggling there to get those in, but once you get them in, they're nice and snug. On the front there, you can see the Hibloks brand. The little piece on the end of the controller cords is going to be going inside of the rechargeable battery that's inside of your controller, and then you'll be able to just attach the end of that cord magnetically to charge it afterwards. Alright, so installing this to the wall was actually quite easy. It gives you the nice step-by-step in the manual that you can use. It has on the little piece that the plate that you're going to be putting onto the wall, it has a level inside of it already that you can use to make sure that you're mounting it level, which is a very nice touch. I really like that. At the moment I don't have a level at home, and so I really liked using that. For me, I'm in an unfinished basement, as you'll see in these pictures here that I'm showing you, and so the little bracket that I was going to be attaching it to wasn't thick enough, and so I just had a piece of hardboard that I attached the side screws to, and then the middle screw went through both. The plate that's actually going to be holding the Quest and the controllers, you can see it just fits into those grooves and slides down into the piece there. Once you got it up, then I plugged in the cords in the bottom, plugged it in, fired it up, and away we went. I really like the rechargeable batteries, and once you have the little piece plugged in, it's so easy just to attach them with a magnetic piece. I really like that. The acrylic pieces, they fit in nice and snug. Those are the pieces, like the clear pieces that are going to be holding your Quest and the controllers. They aren't going to fall out. I did a review of the Hibloks charging station that sits on a desk, and those acrylic pieces were not in tight. If you moved it around too much, they kind of fell out. So I'm really glad that in this one, they have them, they click in, they're nice and snug, they're not going anywhere, because this is on the wall, and you don't want it to fall. I really like that this is on the wall and out of the way, right? Not on a desk. My desks, between my art stuff and VR stuff, they're always full of stuff, and so I really love that it's out of the way, on the wall, not taking up space on any of my desks. It has 7 colors. Each of the colors look awesome. 3 modes. You can have a single color, an alternate strobe, or a constant light, which is really cool, and you can switch between the red, orange, yellow, green, the blue, indigo, and purple. They all look great. This charging station looks great. I think they really nailed it with this one. One of my only suggestions that I could think of for it would be to maybe get, and I don't know if this is possible, I don't know maybe with the headset if it doesn't work or not, maybe it does, but just having like a magnetic headset input attachment, just like the controllers have, so it's easier to plug that headset in, just like the controllers where you can just plop up the cords and they just attach magnetically to the controllers. I don't know if that would be a thing, but that would be my one suggestion. So again, you can find this on Amazon.com for $49.99. Right now, it looks like it's regular $55.99. And you can find this on Amazon.ca for $59.99. I'll link those below if you would like to find those. Again, great product. I would recommend this. So thank you for watching this video. If you haven't checked out my other VR accessory reviews, please do so. I will link that playlist below. I've got a whole bunch of videos there. Make sure you like this one and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. And we'll see you next time on Brian Sloan Artist.